And welcome back. Our next guest is known for their blend of funk, R&B, and soul music. But they've gained notoriety not just because of their music, but because of their work with the Scat commercial. In today's Sounds of the Suncoast, we're thrilled to welcome Nexxlevel Band in a tribute to one of the lead singer's children. Take it away.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she pretty? Less than 1 minute old. I never thought through love that we would find one as lovely as she. So very lovely, made from love. Isn't she pretty? Truly the angel's best, heaven's the way up. We have been heaven blessed. I never thought through love that we would find one as lovely as she. So very lovely, made from love. Life and love are the same. Heaven's the way up, the meaning of a name.
So, I was tempted to come and sing out here with you guys. You know how I like to sing. But it's amazing. You sound so good, and you know we can see you all over. Tell me about some of the places you guys have been playing lately.
Well, we work pretty much from Fort Myers on up. We regularly play here in Sarasota every third Tuesday at Madison's. We're at Servando's, the new venue that we'll be there on the 30th actually next weekend, and we play all over. Another local place is Clancy's in Bradenton.
So you're literally all over the Suncoast, and you play a variety of music, right?
Right. We like to label ourselves as a dance band because if you can dance to it, we play it.
All right, well, you can see the Nexxlevel throughout the Suncoast. Their next performance at Servando's on the 30th. But if you want a full list, you want to go to their website, nexxlevelband.com. And when we're coming back, we're going to actually have the latest in infant trends, but you guys are going to play us out. All right.
Hey!